Digital real estate and rental properties are two vastly different types of investments that have their share of advantages and disadvantages. Now, obviously, both types of investments have their own risks and rewards, so it's important to do your research before investing in either one. But hey, it's not bad if you try digital real estate too, right? Watch until the end of this video because not only will I tell you 10 reasons why you should definitely try this investment out, but I'll show you exactly what the possible earning potential is for each investment. It essentially comes down to this. Digital real estate involves owning digital assets like a website, app, or digital billboard, which can provide passive income and capital appreciation. Rental properties also offer these benefits, but with the added bonus of having to deal with finding tenants, maintaining the property, and handling any problems that come up. But this does not mean you should not try venturing into the world of digital real estate, right? You'll thank me once you find out what you've been missing this entire time. So without further ado, here are 10 reasons why you should try investing in digital real estate. Number 10. Unlimited earning potential. Unlike traditional real estate where you are limited by the number of physical properties you can own and manage, digital real estate allows you to create an infinite number of digital assets that can generate income for years to come. The beauty of digital real estate is that there are virtually no limits to what you can create. From ebooks to online courses, mobile apps to software programs, the possibilities are endless. And once you've created your digital assets, you can market them to a global audience, increasing your earning potential even further. Remember, the key to success in digital real estate is to focus on creating high-quality products that offer real value to your target audience. By doing so, you can build a loyal following and establish a reputation as a trusted provider of valuable information and resources. Number 9. Low overhead costs. You heard that right. Digital real estate requires minimal overhead costs. This is because there is no physical property involved that requires property taxes, insurance, or maintenance. When you invest in digital real estate, you are essentially investing in the virtual world, where the rules are different. This means that you can build and grow your online assets without worrying about the costs associated with traditional real estate. And that's not it. Digital real estate also offers a higher degree of flexibility and scalability, which I will discuss more thoroughly later. So yeah, you can easily scale your online assets to accommodate more traffic or users, and you can do so without the need for physical expansion. Now, if you think that's it, you're wrong. There are still more reasons why you should try digital real estate, and the other reasons will undoubtedly shock you. But before that, please like and subscribe to the channel, share this to others so that more people can know about the wonders of real estate. And with that, let's go to number 8, flexibility. Being flexible is getting more and more crucial in both personal and professional life. And hey, digital real estate has completely transformed the way we work, giving us the freedom to create and handle assets from pretty much any corner of the world. With the help of digital technology, you can work remotely and handle your assets from your cozy home or while being on a trip. Digital real estate has brought a sea of opportunities for individuals who want to establish their own online businesses or manage existing ones. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or business owner, the flexibility to work from anywhere helps you stay productive and efficient, regardless of your location. On top of that, digital real estate lets you tap into a global market, which means you have the potential to reach out to customers and clients from all across the world. Number 7. Low entry barriers. The low entry barrier to this field may have made it possible for anyone with a computer and an internet connection to start creating and selling digital assets without the need for a large initial investment. Digital assets such as ebooks, graphics, music, and videos are in high demand in today's online marketplace. This presents an opportunity for individuals who possess the skills to create those digital assets, to earn a steady income while working from the comfort of their own homes. Starting to create digital assets can be as simple as identifying a niche, honing your skills, and creating content that speaks to your target audience. So what's stopping you from hopping in? Number 6. Scalability. I promise, scalability is a crucial factor for any business, and digital assets offer an unparalleled advantage in this regard. And believe me, digital assets can be easily scaled to meet the growing demands of your business. As your income increases, you can create multiple assets to expand your business further. Digital assets such as websites, mobile apps, and social media platforms can be quickly duplicated and customized to meet the specific needs of your target audience. With the right tools and strategies, you can scale your business with minimal investment and effort. And yes, with this, you can explore new opportunities and expand your reach to a wider audience, which can lead to increased profitability and sustained growth. Number 5. Passive income. If you're like me, you'd be astounded by the concept of passive income. Everybody loves this concept, and anybody who says they don't is probably a liar or a lunatic. Passive income is the ultimate goal of anyone who's looking for financial freedom, in the income you earn without having to actively work for it. And one of the best ways to generate passive income is through digital real estate. Hard to believe? Not really. Once you create these assets, they can continue to generate income for you without much effort on your part. It's as simple as that. Number 4. Diversification. And now let's dive into diversification and digital real estate as a way to reduce risk in your investment portfolio. Because let's face it, putting all your eggs in one basket is such a brilliant idea, right? Wrong. But hey, let's mix things up a bit and let's be honest that investing in digital real estate is truly a game changer for your portfolio. Because who needs the stability of traditional asset classes like stocks and bonds when you can invest in online assets like domain names and social media handles? Who cares if the digital world is constantly changing and the value of these assets can be fleeting? But here's my word of advice: always do your research. Number 3, innovation and growth. Just stop and think about it. Aren't we so lucky to be living in a time when we can buy and sell virtual properties? Who needs actual land or buildings when you can own a virtual piece of the internet? It's not like we're already spending enough time online as it is. So yeah, digital real estate is such a new concept that there's endless room for innovation and growth. As a digital real estate investor, you have the opportunity to be at the forefront of this exciting new industry and help shape its development. Believe me, digital real estate is a highly lucrative investment opportunity. The value of digital assets has been steadily increasing, and with the right strategy, investors like you can reap significant returns on their investments. Number 2, no borders. Real estate transactions have crossed the traditional boundaries of physical geography as the inevitable rise of digital real estate continues. Selling your assets to anyone in the world has become possible. Why? Because it's not restricted by geographical borders. This means that you can market and sell your assets globally without being limited to a particular location. Digital real estate has a wide reach which opens up a world of opportunities for sellers. It allows them to access a global market of potential buyers, which can significantly increase the chances of closing a sale. Not only that, it also offers a more convenient and cost-effective way of buying and selling properties without the need for physical visits or in-person negotiations. So what does this leave us? A great opportunity to sell real estate assets and capitalize on the benefits of the digital age. Number 1, high demand. You probably already know that e-commerce is booming and online businesses are creating an insatiable demand for digital real estate. And to be honest, the trend is set to continue as more and more companies take their operations online. In this new age of commerce, digital real estate is as valuable as physical property. Believe me when I say that the demand for digital real estate has never been higher. As more businesses adopt a digital-first approach, there is a growing need for online spaces to house their operations. This trend has been accelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic, which has forced many businesses to shift their focus online. The value of digital real estate cannot be underestimated, and I suggest you take notice of this great opportunity as soon as possible. Because if you ask me, a well-designed website or social media profile can make all the difference in attracting and retaining customers. As such, businesses are willing to invest heavily in their digital properties. The point comes down to this: when it comes to deciding between digital real estate and physical real estate, it ultimately depends on your personal preferences and investment goals. While both options have their advantages and drawbacks, investing in digital real estate can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and add a unique and exciting asset to your investments. As always, do your research and understand the risks and potential rewards involved. So here's my question: will you try investing in digital real estate now? I need to get your opinion on this topic, so please leave your thoughts in the comments. Also, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.